Welcome to the Bucket Tool tutorial for IBIS paints. To understand the bucket tool, first create some random shapes. Locate the bucket tool that is present on the left side toolbar of screen. Select color that you want to use from the square present at the bottom of the screen. Now start coloring. You will observe that only the completely closed shapes will be filled accurately, while the color might spread on whole canvas when tap on unclosed shapes. Let's add new layer as background layer that you want to fill with a solid color. Now, if you close the Eye of Shapes layer, you will observe that the background layer is not filled completely. To fix this error, tap on Bucket and settings will appear. Reference layer by default is set to canvas. Change the canvas to current layer. Now selecting background layer, try filling it with solid color. Let's have a look at the background layer now, by closing the Eye of Shapes layer. Can you see that the background got filled completely without leaving any white space? By just changing the simple canvas setting to current layer.